Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about trash cans. Cleaning out the trash can as often as you can is a good way to keep odors, bacteria and germs out of your home. The lingering odor can attract pests, mold or smelly buildup on the lid. You know it's time to clean it if you notice bad smells coming from it or you can see noticeable residue inside. The last thing you want is for germs and bacteria to multiply inside your home, stinking up the place and increasing your risk for illness. I want to show you I bought this trash can lemon scented gel that you put inside the lid of your trash can and it neutralizes odors, fights the molecules of bad odors and releases a fresh lemon scent. Now let's clean it. Of course, first you have to empty your trash can. Rinse it with hot water in your tub, shower or outside with a hose.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I can't hide, I get low at the same time.
Then pre-treat with a disinfectant washing spray. I usually use one that contains bleach, like this bathroom Ace one. Let it sit according to instructions. I let mine 5 to 10 minutes. That will help loosen up any crusty buildup, spills, etc. and disinfect too. Then scrub thoroughly the inside and the outside of the can with a sponge. Rinse and let it dry. Cleaning your trash can is very important to eliminate germs. Throwing away old food and used diapers can infect your trash can with germs and diseases, such as Salmonella, Listeria and E. coli. Sanitizing your trash cans will kill these germs and help keep you and your family safe. Trash can cleaning is a nasty job and nobody wants to do it. But one thing is certain, they are very important to our quality of life, so someone has to do it. First I wait so the extra water drains, then I let the can dry completely in the sun. I put a new trash bag and voila! My kitchen trash can is sparkling clean, disinfected, germ-free and looking like new. Now it's time to place that lemon-scented gel on the inside of the lid. You can see here it's easy to install. On my channel I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening and laundry hacks. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. I forgot to put the cover, but now I will do that. Another way to deodorize your trash can is to sprinkle some baking soda in it before putting the trash bag, or place there a cotton ball with some essential oil drops. I like to use a mint one. You can use the scent you like more. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!